What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Roshanna and today I'm coming to you guys with this wig. Yes, it's a wig. So basically today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your 360 lace wig up in a bun. And it was not easy, y'all. But this is the final result and I really do like it. So this hair is from Eva Wigs and I'm going to have everything about them in the description box down below. Make sure you guys go check them out. And basically I decided to put this 360 up in a bun and this is how it looks, you guys. Also, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, you guys. Let's get into the video. So first you want to start off with water just to wet the hair so that it's easier to work with. One really good thing that I really loved about this wig was the hairline. The hairline is super flawless. It came pre-plucked. I didn't do anything to it. And as you can see while I'm brushing it, you can just see how perfectly they plucked it. Like, it is so good. Like, I'm really surprised. I did not know it was going to be this well. Like, I thought I was going to have to add some plucking to it. But as you guys can see, the hairline is super flawless. Using my Got To Be Curling mousse, I'm just going to pump some of this into my hand, and then I'm going to apply this around the roots of the hair where I really want it to be flat because I'm going to be using the hot comb to straighten it to make sure that it is laid flat, you guys. Since I'm going to be putting the hair up in the bun, I'm also going to apply some mousse to the back of the hair. That's very important. You want the whole thing to be molded. Now to make sure that I have a slick back bun, I'm just going to be taking my hot comb and applying it to the roots of the hair to really get it to look straight and neat. Now this step is crucial if you want to be able to have your hair go up in a bun easily. Now this just helps kind of direct the hair into the style that you want to put it in, which is a bun. So I'm making sure I get the back of the hair as well. That's super important as well. Just for the finishing touches, I'm just going to be applying some more mousse just to make sure that everything stays in the place that I put it in. And then we can begin to put the hair up in a ponytail. Now taking some leave-in conditioner, I'm just going to be putting this on the ends of the hair and I'm going to begin to make a bun. This isn't going to be the official look, this is just to get it where I want it to be. So guys, I'm going to be going in with my leave-in conditioner and this is just going to make me be able to detangle the hair. I did apply the wig off camera just because I really wanted to put it on correctly so that I could be able to put it up in a bun and not have to worry about the glue coming off or anything. I just wanted to perfect it, so I did do it off camera, you guys. So the most important part about this is making sure that the top is straight. So I'm just combing through the top, not really combing through the entire hair. I don't really want to mess with the curls, but this is just to get it in the way that I want it to be. And now I'm about to put my hair up in a ponytail. Now I'm gonna let you guys know that I did attempt to do this twice, and the second time was off camera, and that's when I had the final look. It took me 2 tries just because I'm a perfectionist and I wanted to make sure that it was like looking proper. It kind of is a messy bun, but I want it to be like a really slick back messy bun, if that makes sense. This is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and make sure you guys go check out Eva Wig down below in the description box. And I love you if you watch till the end. I will see you guys in my next video.